What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. We have my buddy's car right here, 1980 Camaro. This is Camaro. It's supposed to be freaking awesome. He got a couple of bolt-ons, long tube headers. Hey, but it's going to be freaking phenomenal. We're going for the ride along, and we're going to see how it goes. Hey, what year was it, bro? 80 Camaro. 328 Camaro. Hey, yo, check this out. So we're going to be going for a ride along, see how she is. Look at this, just, oh my gosh, like, the paint is beautiful, bro, like, shit, bro. Like, check it out, you guys, like, it's freaking awesome. The classic vice grip for the windshield. Hey, what is that, dude?
What is that?
The window handle?
That's my new handle.
The new handle?
That's the temporary.
Hey, that's how you do it, right?
It works.
Yeah. So we're going to be going for a ride along in here. It's an 80 Camaro. Hey, this thing is freaking phenomenal for what it is. Like, she's a little dirty, but hey, you know. Yeah, she's a little dirty. Yep. Uh-oh, he wearing a team shirt, Upscale Motors. I can dig it. Hell yeah. We're going to be getting down in this at the track and, you know, see how she goes. I do love her, bro. Look, watch. Oh my gosh, it closed freaking phenomenal. And she starts up right away, like no issue. Okay.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready when you're ready. I'm always ready.
Like a new car.
Really? It's like a new car.
That was badass.
It's scratch a little bit. He said, but it's badass.
Big tires.
Yeah, the roof is right here. Feels nice.
Smooth.
Yeah, it's real smooth. Like, you can't go wrong with the smoothness.
It's my daily.
Yeah, it's all it is.
It's a daily.
Imagine when you die, hey.
When that mofo go first.
Yeah, it's a wrap.
Got my blinkers.
Oh, the blinkers do work. Sounds amazing. Oh my gosh.
Oh, we're making big progress. That was hard. We had it for a month. Did they make the month?
That guy thought it was fast.
And he's still there.
He's still there. It's funny. Oh, you got cars. Hey, the taco truck way.
I'm gonna catch that motherfucker. Call me a taco.
How you doing?
Two of them motherfuckers.
Outside and see how you like it. Oh, she rides phenomenally, bro. She rides beautiful. Like,
I love it.
The cruising of it is freaking awesome. Like, sometimes you just don't want to
She's part of the family.
Oh yeah, hell yeah, bro.
I still gotta break it in 100 miles.
Yeah, so the motor's freshly built. You gotta break it in. Yeah.
Rear end's brand new.
Brand new rear end, brand new axles, brand new headers.
And brand new fucking paint.
Oh, wait a minute.
Brand new paint.
Brand new paint too.
It's just the beginning for this car.
Oh yeah, God yes.
She's gonna get faster.
She's gonna get faster, you guys.
Next week we got some surprises for you.
Hey, so next week, well, hey, Wait a minute. Next week. Next week. Well, they can't see you.
Every week. Every week we're doing something different.
Hey, wait a minute now. Don't tell them. Hey. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Wait a minute now.
I'm just trying to get close to that dollar taco right there.
see.
Shit.
I
Maybe if
see.
I impress him, he'll give them to me for free.
Wait a minute. He might do it. Yeah, this badass Camaro bottle. That motherfucker put me in the seat. I think you like it. Oh, he's turning. Oh, wait a minute. You think your water everywhere.
Yeah.
I think you got the trailer wet, bro. Oh man, this is a nice ride. Like, real good.
Throw me a taco. Go long. How's it feel?
It feels amazing.
I love it, bro.
I love it too. Like,
Think she got sounds?
oh yeah. Hey bro, pull up in here. In this warehouse, we're gonna get some screenshots. Alright guys, that's gonna conclude today's video. Let me know how you liked it. Like, comment, subscribe, and please share. Yo, we're trying. Hey, the Camaro's freaking awesome. Got some work coming to it. But hey, stay tuned and we got some more stuff coming. If you like it, let me know. But hey, peace.